Yeah, it might just explode. Well, that's good. No smoke so far.
Hasn't caught fire yet.
G'day, Stu here from UAV Futures, and today, well, we're going to do a bit of madness. What we're going to do, we're going to stick this bad boy on the bench and rig it up with some 4S action and take it out and rip it around. Now, if you haven't seen this, this is the Wizard, and it is an absolute freak of nature for a little micro quad. And if you want to see my review of this bad boy, I'll leave a little card or a little link. Should come up here somewhere in the top left-hand corner. But what we're going to do today, I put the question out there, do you guys want to see me rock this thing on 4S? I'm not sure what's going to happen. It could burst into flames. So what we're going to be doing today, we're going to be sort of rigging this up in 4S, flying it around and just seeing just how it goes. So not a technical review at all, just a bit of madness, a bit of fun. I'm going to quickly show you how I've rigged up the system because I didn't actually have a 4S battery for this, so I had to do a little bit of makeshift work to get it working, and then we'll take it out and I'm going to show you some DVR. All right, let's do it. Alrighty, now to show you how I'm actually going to get 4S on my Lizard rip. This might not go too well. 2S batteries here, I'm just going to connect them up in series. So if we put these two together, I'll be strapping these two to the quad at the same time. So we should hopefully be getting some 14 volts. So let's see how we can go here. I mean 16 volts. So there you go. You can see we're at 16 volts. So the moment of truth, there's my battery. Let's plug it into the Wizard. Let's find out what happens. Look, this could result in some smoke very, very quickly. This could be the shortest 4S flight ever. Let's rip this thing. Let's light this thing on fire. Let's do it. All right, let's cut down to the field in 3, 2, 1. Time for a little bit of insanity. We're going to strap these two together. We've got our, what is it, in series. Going to turn it into a 4S battery, and then we're probably going to blow up little Lizard 95 here, or get some very, very quick speeds.
Plug it in first, see if it smokes.
No, I plugged it in on the bench.
Oh, yeah.
I wonder if it'll be able to deliver the amps. Yeah, it might just explode. Well, that's good. No smoke so far.
Hasn't caught fire yet.
Yeah. Alrighty, now some of you observant viewers out there might have noticed that, look, we're only really rocking a 300 milliamp hour 4S, and is that enough? Absolutely not, but this was all I had because you guys wanted to see this on 4S, so this was as best as I could do to get a little 4S battery together to show you what was going to go on, because everything else was far too big and this thing wouldn't even fly. So I'm sure some of you are not going to like it at all and say, Stuart, you definitely should have a bigger capacity battery, and I definitely agree, but this is the best that we had, the best that we could do. So now that we're flying, look at that voltage, down to like 8.5 or something when we're flying around. And probably the part I was smiling at here, it wasn't bursting into flames. So that was something I was a little bit worried about flying this thing on 4S, because it was such a crazy beast. You know, look how small this thing is. It was such a crazy little quad on 3S. 4S was going to be absolutely ridiculous if it actually works. So I'm happy to say, with my Lizard 95, I didn't get any flames whatsoever, which is great. Look at the speed of the thing, and above all, it was fairly stable. Like, I didn't really have any issues whatsoever. So this thing is absolutely burning around. And yeah, I had a lot of fun with this thing on 4S. But in future, we definitely need some bigger batteries, because that's about it. And as I come in a minute, this was just a little fun test for you guys, like a little bonus video. But as I come in, there's definitely some interesting results with those batteries.
Wow. Pass the test.
Yeah, you know, we actually need, I think, some proper 4S batteries now.
Yeah,
something is smelly. We might have toasted those batteries.
That's probably issue.
Woo!
Probably issue deodorant.
Have a smell of these. These are, something's melting in here. So what we've done,
yeah, look at the side of the battery.
I think the batteries are about pretty much puffed.
Oh yeah, they're cooked. Well, it's better than the Lizard.
Yeah, that's true.
They are knackered. Yeah.
I mean, whoops.
Yeah.
That's usually you swearing, Trevor.
Yeah, they're Won't be using them again.
No. Alright, so you know what? The Lizard actually stood up to some 4S. Now, we probably didn't get the current that we need out of those batteries. I'm going to have to invest, find maybe a 600 or 500 milliamp hour 4S battery out there, and we'll strap that to this next time. Maybe we'll do that in the future, but so far, you know, the Lizard didn't explode. So let's just keep pushing this in the future, see how we can go. But hopefully you guys enjoyed that little quick bonus video, because I know a lot of you guys asked for it. Anyway, subscribe for more FPV related content, and as always,
Happy flying.
Alrighty, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. Definitely subscribe if you're new to the channel and check out these videos. And I'm also going to leave a little link here to my Patreon page because I've got some fantastic Patreon supporters and I like to give back to them as well. So if you want to join the UAV Futures family, there's things like bonus Velcro straps, little bundles of FPV goodies and things like that that also get sent out. Anyway, happy flying.